networks today become more and more complex, institutions need to keep up with that complexity in order to give students a fair chance whenever they meet the job market. The problem with this is that the more complex the network, the more expensive the network is going to be. For instance, if NC State were to purchase right now a network that was VPN access, MPLS capable, and other advanced features, that would basically look like this: 4 routers, 4 switches, 4 desktop computers. It cost them $56,000. If they were to use an emulation of these things, which is here we're using GNS3, and here you see 7 total routers, 6 switches. This is free. Right now, if NC State were to create a class based on that, it's 100% free. If a partner like Wake Tech were to do this, they can lease the hardware for NC State for $3,000 a year and have all of that, versus $56,000 if they were to purchase it. So the big question is here, do students prefer, or can students learn from this virtual environment, since it's obviously more cost efficient? What we actually did is we took a sample size of 56 volunteered students from ECE 576 graduate class. And half of them did the physical part first, and then the GNS3 virtual environment, and then the other half did a virtual environment followed by the physical. It was the exact same lab in both environments. What we found is that if you were to take the average of all the preferences, you would find that the students do not prefer either lab or the other, which means they can basically learn as effectively from a virtual environment the same as they could from a physical environment. What that will allow is now NC State can make the choice of whether they want to go use the virtual environment, which is free, or continue updating either annually, biannually, or every 4 years this new equipment for an increasing $56,000 a year, and in 10 years that might even be $100,000.